First channel is Emma Daily English, and she's pulling in $26,000 using AI videos to tell simple stories. There's a huge global audience trying to learn English who need slow and clear listening practice. They watch these over and over, so the retention would be crazy. Next is Transformation Histories. They make $80,000 a month with only 44,000 subs, just doing then and now celebrity AI videos. But be careful because YouTube's been demonetizing pure AI videos lately. You'll need to do actual editing and add real value if you don't want to get screwed. Then we have Zen, and he's making $17,000 a month. They actually started with basic AI slideshows that flop, but then they switched to these simple drawings and it blew up. It's super cheap to make, and you could even make it with AI. This works because the drawings make complex topics easy to watch. Next is Sleepy Slurks, and he's making $9,000 a month. This guy literally just records himself playing GTA super slowly while doing a quiet, calm voiceover. Since people use this to fall asleep, they loop the videos all night, which gives him crazy watch hours. Last one is Zolvan, doing $7,000 a month with simple anime illustrations, giving style and grooming tips for guys. These videos are easy to make, but the niche is getting crowded now, so you'll need a unique angle to stand out. If you want more no BS vids like this, subscribe. Peace.